Hello, everybody. So, this is my binder. This is my medical financial binder that I have spent the last 9 months creating. Okay, there's a lot of trial and error. I didn't go to school to learn how to do this. I figured it all out on my own. 75 pages, 77, I don't know, 78, something like that. Not counting anymore. Um, but what this is it's medical financial binder. And what you need this for is to keep track of all your medical stuff, your DNRs, your health proxies, your financial stuff, what you want to do with your life when what do you want to do? What if something happens to you? Does everyone know what you really want? Or will you have family members fighting over what you want? This is going to stop that from happening. Okay. Yes, you see the orange nail polish driving you crazy. It's Halloween. So, anyways, what I want to say is in the back of the binder. Oh, nope, I didn't print it in my binder. Okay. There are there are videos for each one of these pages to show you how to fill them out. This binder is all about you, and you will have nothing, absolutely nothing to worry about because the videos are right there to help you. I've had so many elderly people pass away. My brother passed away at age 13. I have just had so many deaths in the family. And a lot of times people don't know what they want. This binder has everything right here. And I've had people say to me, if only I was organized, if only I knew where this stuff was, things would have been different. And that's what this is for. And I literally have made a video for every page in here. It's $12.99. You cannot go wrong. It's a lunch. It's the price of a lunch. Okay? So please, please do yourself a favor and your family a favor. Check this out. You won't be sorry.